What if Fujifilm's next camera delivered nearly twice the resolution of the GFX100 II? According to the latest industry leaks and rumors, Fujifilm could be working on the GFX180, a medium-format camera rumored to feature an incredible 180-megapixel sensor. If true, it could become the most powerful and highest-resolution camera the company has ever made. Here's everything we know so far about the leaks, rumored specifications, expected launch timeline, and why photographers are already excited about this camera. The headline feature of the rumored GFX180 is, unsurprisingly, its sensor. Multiple industry sources have suggested that Fujifilm is developing a medium-format camera built around a new 180-megapixel sensor. For comparison, the current Fujifilm GFX100 II features a 102-megapixel sensor, which is already considered one of the most detailed sensors available in a modern camera. Jumping from 102 megapixels to 180 megapixels would be an enormous leap and could establish a completely new benchmark for medium-format photography. A resolution increase of this scale isn't just about larger image files. It gives photographers far more flexibility when cropping images, creating massive prints, and capturing intricate details. For commercial photographers, fashion shooters, product photographers, and fine art professionals, this level of resolution could significantly expand creative possibilities. One of the most interesting aspects of this rumor is the sensor's origin. Industry insiders believe that Sony is currently developing a next-generation 180-megapixel medium-format sensor. Since Sony already manufactures the sensors used in many medium-format cameras, including several previous Fujifilm GFX models, the rumor has gained considerable credibility within the camera industry. If this new sensor becomes reality, it could represent the next major evolution in medium-format imaging. Sony's sensor technology has consistently pushed the boundaries of image quality, dynamic range, and low-light performance. A 180-megapixel medium-format sensor would likely continue that trend and provide Fujifilm with an incredibly powerful foundation for its next flagship camera. The megapixel count isn't the only exciting rumor surrounding the GFX180. Reports suggest that the new sensor could feature a partially stacked design. This is particularly important because medium-format cameras have traditionally prioritized image quality over speed. While photographers love the detail these cameras produce, they often sacrifice responsiveness, burst shooting performance, and readout speed. A partially stacked sensor could help solve many of those limitations. Faster readout speeds can reduce rolling shutter effects, improve autofocus responsiveness, and make the camera feel significantly faster during real-world shooting. If Fujifilm successfully combines a 180-megapixel sensor with modern readout technology, the GFX180 could become one of the most advanced medium-format cameras ever created. Whenever camera manufacturers dramatically increase sensor resolution, photographers immediately begin asking the same question: can existing lenses actually resolve that much detail? Fortunately, many experts believe Fujifilm may already be prepared for this challenge. When Fujifilm originally introduced its 100-megapixel GFX cameras, the company stated that its GF lens lineup was designed with future sensor advancements in mind. The GF lenses are widely regarded as some of the sharpest lenses available in the medium-format market, and many industry observers believe they could support a 180-megapixel sensor without requiring photographers to replace their entire lens collection. If that's true, it would be excellent news for professionals who have already invested heavily in Fujifilm's medium-format ecosystem. Upgrading to the new camera could potentially be much more affordable than rebuilding an entire lens setup from scratch. Of course, there is another side to ultra-high-resolution photography. More megapixels mean significantly larger file sizes. A 180-megapixel RAW file could be enormous compared to files produced by current cameras. Photographers may need faster memory cards, larger SSDs, more powerful computers, and increased long-term storage capacity to manage their workflow efficiently. Editing hundreds or even thousands of images captured with a 180-megapixel camera could place heavy demands on current hardware. For many professionals, Upgrading to a camera like the GFX180 may also require upgrading their entire editing environment. While this isn't necessarily a deal breaker, it's something prospective buyers will need to consider carefully. At the moment, there are no reliable leaks regarding the camera's video capabilities. However, Fujifilm's recent strategy suggests that video could play a larger role than many people expect. The company has invested heavily in video technology over the past few years, and cameras like the GFX100 II demonstrated that medium format systems can offer impressive filmmaking features. Fujifilm has also expanded its ambitions into the cinema market, making it difficult to imagine a future flagship GFX camera completely ignoring video creators. While there is currently no confirmation of specifications such as 8K recording, RAW video, or advanced frame rate options, many photographers and filmmakers expect the GFX180 to deliver substantial improvements over previous generations. This is where things become less certain. Current rumors suggest that the camera is still in development and may not arrive immediately. Some industry sources believe the project could be targeting a late 2026 launch window, while others think it may arrive even later, depending on sensor availability and development timelines. Although no official announcement has been made, the continued appearance of similar reports from multiple sources has strengthened confidence that Fujifilm is at least exploring the concept of a 180-megapixel medium format camera. As always, it's important to remember that plans can change before a product reaches the market. Since Fujifilm hasn't officially announced the GFX180, pricing remains pure speculation. However, with the GFX100 II launching at around $7,500, many industry watchers expect the GFX180 to cost between $8,000 and $10,000 if it becomes Fujifilm's new flagship. While expensive, it would still be significantly more affordable than many ultra-high-end medium-format systems on the market. The rumored GFX180 is unlikely to be designed for casual photographers. Instead, it appears to be aimed at professionals who require the highest possible image quality. Commercial advertising, luxury fashion campaigns, architecture, fine art reproduction, museum archiving, and premium product photography are all areas where a camera like this could thrive. Rather than replacing cameras such as the GFX100 II, the GFX180 would likely sit above them as an ultra-premium flagship model. It would represent the absolute pinnacle of Fujifilm's imaging technology and serve photographers who demand maximum resolution regardless of cost. While the Fujifilm GFX180 remains unofficial for now, the rumors surrounding its 180-megapixel sensor have certainly captured the attention of the photography world. If Fujifilm can combine that resolution with modern speed and performance, this could become one of the most impressive medium-format cameras ever released. But until Fujifilm makes it official, we'll have to treat these specifications as rumors. So, would you buy a 180-megapixel camera, or is that simply too much resolution? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more camera leaks, photography news, and tech updates.